it broke to 20, and like I told you, NEO did the same thing but with 0.1. So $4 for Polkadot is 0.1 for NEO, and NEO went from 0.1 to 200. I don't think that Polkadot will do the same amount of percent gain, but the psychology of the markets is very similar, guys. It's very similar. Look here, it was 0.1 for ages, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2. Here it was bouncing kind of like $4. And now with Polkadot, if you really compare where we are, I would say that we're here where we had like the first big pump, and here's where NEO went from $1, from 0.1 to 1, and then it did another, a few X's. It's insane that when you look at the chart, it looks so small. I mean, this pump right here, it looks so small. Basically, it went to $10. It did NEO did the 100x here. So could Polkadot do something similar in a real altcoin season? Of course, it could. Is it probable? I don't think these kinds of returns are probable, but insane returns are probable. We're not gonna do thousands of X's, but can we do 100x in Polkadot? I think so. I think it's possible. It does sound insane now because it would put Polkadot at $2,000 per coin. So I do understand that it does sound insane, but could it happen? Potentially, yes. Look, potentially, yes. It could happen. It would put Polkadot at 1,700 actually, yeah.
As much as I love Polkadot, I think it's quite obvious that it isn't ready to overtake Ethereum just yet. That said, I think it could get close, especially if anything goes horribly wrong with Ethereum 2.0. For these reasons, I think a 5 to 10x move from DOT's current price point is a reasonable expectation for this bull market. Not only that, but the 640 million DOT currently being staked have a 1-month unlock period. This means that when the price of DOT really starts to rise, the chances of it going parabolic are incredibly high due to the short-term shortage of DOT on the open market. This is one huge advantage that Polkadot has over just about every other large-cap cryptocurrency.
Polkadot is another one of those cryptos that is not a ghost chain and is building out their ecosystem. You can see that here. Let's talk about staking value. Currently, Polkadot is the project with the largest staking value. Over 10 billion DOT is being staked. The APY from staking is up to 20%. This is a very attractive metric for those who are interested in gaining interest, right? Let's talk about transaction fees. Transaction fees in the Polkadot blockchain platform are much lower than Ethereum, but still higher than other blockchains. So this is something to watch. And as far as interest from high net worth individuals, check this out. More and more VCs are interested in Polkadot especially. In fact, there are some funds that only specialize in investing in projects in the Polkadot ecosystem, such as Web3 Capital, Hypersphere, KR1, and Polychain Capital. These are all the big players that have made it known that they are interested and invested in Polkadot. Besides that, we reported on this the other day that 21 Shares is launching the first Polkadot exchange-traded product on SIX Exchange, a Swiss exchange. So the firm said the listing came about because it wanted to stay ahead of the curve amid a surge of interest for the cryptocurrency asset class. So these particular guys, they think that Polkadot has a future.